Good evening to all the young parents here. I am Shruti Bhatnagar and I am a child facilitator and a teacher by profession for all the small kids. I am having more than 10 years of experience teaching all the little kids, and today I am here to help you out with dealing with the child's behavior. I just want to ask one question. Do you feel the way children are behaving like during these days? It is basically the child psychology we need to understand, and there is major behavioral changes you can find in your child because of this pandemic situation. This is the unprecedented time due to which our whole lifestyle had been changed in the society. Our kids are not able to go out to play, to the school, anywhere. So they are being restricted to their homes. They are getting more irritated nowadays. So we need to understand the reason why, and we need to be very patient with them. We need to deal with them very nicely. We have to understand, we have to sit with them. So I am here just to discuss all these small things. First of all, I would like to make you understand that you need to give time to your child. All the parents are working nowadays. If mother is also going for work, father is also working, you all are working from home, but still there is a lot of work for all of you. But there is nothing more important than your child. So you have to take out half an hour for your child. It is very important. And then what you have to do? You need to play a game, any game, whatever you want to. That the game should be interesting for the child. It is very important that you need to understand what the child wants from you or from the friends. Nowadays, since child is not going out, they are not going to play, they are not going to school, they are not interacting with their best of friends, their teachers, their classmates, they are not attending anyone, they are only at home with you. So you need to come to that level where you are his or her friend. So play a game with them, take out half an hour from your busy schedule, just play a game regularly. It is very important. What will be going to happen? The child will feel special. Child's self-esteem will be little bit more higher. It will be built. Then he will be very happy. He will feel privileged. Oh wow, my parents are playing with me. That's great. He will look forward for that thing in a day. Second point, I would like to tell you that you just assign one task in a day to them. It is very important. How? You can give us small things to do. Okay, today you need to clean your one shelf, or you can tell them to you have to clean the window today of your room. It will be going to make them more responsible. They will be happy. Okay, wow, I am giving some effort in home. I am cleaning this almirah or I am cleaning the window. It is a task for me. My mother felt that I can do this. So that way he will feel more responsible. He will develop the decision making power. He will be able to prioritize the things. So many things in a day they have to do. So he will be able to prioritize those things. Okay, I have to do this first, then I have to finish my classes, then I have to finish my schoolwork, then I have to do this also, or I have to do this work before, then I will do my homework. That way he will be able to prioritize the things in life, which is a very big skill. Even I have seen many big people also who are not able to prioritize the things, and they are totally unorganized. So these are the small things which is going to help the child to be a good human being, and he will developing those skills which is required for everyone. So this is first thing which you can inculcate in the child. Third, I would like to suggest that you need to listen to the child a lot. They are at home, they are all alone. To give the time to them and be them with them, listen to them, play with them, talk to them, interact with them. You tell your stories to them, because they are going to listen to it, and they will be able to understand, okay, my mother has done this or my father has done this, it is a good thing, I will also do it. So that way you can just share your experiences to them. It will also help them a lot at any moment of the time in their life. So these are few things which you can just see how you can deal, and how can it will be going to helpful for you and your children. So till now I am here with you, these suggestions, and I will be going to come again with few more things. Till then, stay happy and stay safe at home. Have a good day. Bye bye.